Alam mo ba yung feeling na gusto mo nang mag-invest pero hindi mo alam kung saan safe at sulit? What if I tell you na may lugar ngayon dito sa Nuvali na hindi lang maganda kundi mataas ang potential ng market value appreciation in the next few years? And the best part, may mga available pang units and hindi mo na kailangan mag-antay pa ng matagal for turnover. Oo, tama ang narinig mo dahil this 2026 na ang turnover ng property mo. Let's talk about Southdale Settings Nuvali and Aberdeen Estate Nuvali. Hi guys! If bago ka sa channel ko, I create content about real estate helping you understand kung saan sulit mag-invest at paano ka makakapili ng tamang property for your future investment. And today, pag-usapan natin ang Southdale Settings Nuvali, specifically yung mga available units this 2026. So kung naghahanap ka ng house and lot or investment property, this video is for you. Before natin puntahan yung community, let's have a quick drive-tour lang muna para at least malaman nyo lang po kung paano pumunta sa Southdale and Aberdeen Estate Nuvali. Tara, samahan nyo po ako. So right now, kadarating lang natin ngayon dito sa Nuvali North and ngayon nandito tayo sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf to give you an update sa ongoing construction and expansion of Soledad 4. Makikita nyo dito sa likod ko, no? And by the way, no, Nuvali is the largest eco-estate development of Ayala Land. It is composed of 2,500 hectares in size. Sa laki ng Nuvali, no, it is divided into 4 segments. The Nuvali North, this is the main commercial business district dito sa Nuvali. The Nuvali Central, this is the heart of Nuvali, and the Nuvali South and Nuvali High. No? So dito sa Nuvali North, isa-isahin lang po muna natin yung mga ongoing and existing na pong mga establishment. No? Sa likod ko, makikita nyo po yung expansion ng Soledad Malls natin na i-rebrand po siya as Ayala Malls Nuvali. This is our green belt dito po sa South kung saan interconnected po yung Soledad 1, 2, 3, and 4 natin na magkakaroon po siya ng bridge sa gitna. Then dito rin po sa Nuvali North located yung hotels natin which is the Seda Hotels. We have 2 towers po, Tower 1 and Tower 2. Doon din po sa side na yon, katabi lang ng Seda Hotels natin, located yung Museum for Architecture and Residences naman po natin. Ang kagandahan doon, isa po yon sa game changer natin pagdating sa architectural designs sa mga building natin dito sa Nuvali. It carries 200 trees po na para siyang vertical forest na yung lower floors po natin ay magkakaroon ng museum, art gallery, and exhibit sa baba, and yung upper floors naman natin is dedicated for luxury condos na magkakaroon po ng onsen and hot spring. No? Bukod po doon, meron din po tayong Nuvali Techno Hub para po sa IT professionals and BPOs companies natin na magbibigay po ng opportunity dito sa Nuvali. And sa mga southern part ng lugar like Laguna, Quezon, Cavite, Batangas. In the future po, hindi na nilang lumuwas pa ng Maynila para magtrabaho, and dito na po magtatrabaho yung mga future kids natin. No? Then dito po sa Nuvali, sa kinatatayuan ko, ang tawag po natin dito is the Big Box kung saan it composed of CBTL, meron po tayo ditong Uniqlo, Jollibee Nuvali, McDonald's Nuvali, and sa harap lang po nito, located yung Ayala owned hospital natin which is the Healthway Qualimed na may expansion pa po na in the future. No? Then after po nun, exciting part po is kaka-launch lang po ng Metro Nuvali natin dito. Ano po ba ang Metro Nuvali? Metro Nuvali is 200 hectares development. This is mixed-use development po ni Ayala kung saan this is our own BGC dito sa Nuvali na ang kagandahan is mas improve and suburban po yung development natin. Bakit po natin sinabing mas improve? Dahil ang mga roads po natin dito sa Nuvali is mas wider and may future expansion pa po ng mga kalsada natin dito. And bakit po suburban? Dahil feel mo po dito yung pagiging city feels but with blend of nature. Yun po yung kagandahan dito sa Nuvali. Ang bali-balita po sa Metro Nuvali natin is magkakaroon po tayo dito ng civic complex and extension po ng mga government offices natin like SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, etc. So, kagandahan, lahat po ng kailangan natin dito is inside Nuvali na rin po. At ko lang din po na magkakaroon po tayo dito ng Nuvali Parish Church sa loob din to ng Metro Nuvali. And bukod doon po, may mga shopping centers din po tayo dito like SNRs, Landers, and Landmark. So, if ever na gusto nyo pong mag-grocery shopping, so at napakadali lang pong puntahan and very available po, So, very convenient dito sa Nuvali North. So, this is the existing na po na mga development and establishments natin dito sa Nuvali North. So, as we go by, makikita po natin yung Nuvali Boulevard. This is our main road dito sa Nuvali kung saan makikita nyo po na napakalalapad ng kalsada. And after po nun, may madadaanan po tayong rotonda. Take lang po natin yung second exit and darating na po tayo sa central part of Nuvali. And ang unang bubungad po sa atin doon is the Central Block. So guys, we are here right now at Nuvali Central. As you can see po, ang unang bubungad sa atin dito ay ang Central Block. This is one of the pocket business district dito and it will cater the Nuvali Central residences. And good news po ito sa mga nakatira na dito sa Nuvali Central dahil ongoing construction na po yung the shops natin and this year po magiging operational na po yung Mary Mart natin. And as you can see, may mga vacant lot pa po sa Central Block and ang balita po, ang mga gagawin dito is mid-rise buildings na magkakaroon po ng salon, spa, mga restaurants and other convenience po na magpapagaan ng buhay natin dito sa Nuvali Central. And good news po ito dahil if ever na kailangan nyo pong mag-grocery ay hindi nyo na po kailangan pang lumabas ng Nuvali dahil everything is inside na po dito sa Nuvali. And if ever po na maging option nyo po na mag-invest para sa condominium, we have here the Solara Park Stories. This is the first ever pet-friendly condominium here in Nuvali. And ang isa pa po na pwede nating maging option dito sa Nuvali Central is our premium townhouse in Amaya Series Nuvali. If ever po na magka-interest kayo sa mga property na to, pwede ko pong isend yung details and sample computation. Just message me po on my number at 0966-205-8031. Open po siya for WhatsApp, Viber, and on my personal page and Facebook page, The Estate Blueprint. Now, let's zoom in Southdale settings, Nuvali. Southdale is a house and lot community inside Nuvali, meaning hindi ka na magpapagawa from scratch. Ready ka na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Let me ask you this. Pagod ka na ba sa city life? Traffic, ingay, pollution? O maybe you're at the stage na gusto mo na ng sariling bahay, nasawa ka na sa rent and condo, and gusto mo nang magkalupa na talagang sayo. If yes, then makaka-relate ka dito. Because more and more people ngayon are choosing Nuvali, and Southdale setting is one of the best options. Quick overview muna tayo. Ang Nuvali is a master-planned eco-city by Ayala Land. Ano ang meron dito? Fresh air, green environment, flood-free location, and complete establishment like Solenad, SNR, hospitals, and schools, and very accessible via SLEX and CALAX. So hindi ka na isolated, everything you need is here na po. Kaya siya ideal for both investor and end user. What makes Southdale settings Nuvali special? Number 1, family-friendly environment. Number 2, open spaces and park. Number 3, secured community. Number 4, clean and organized layout. Hindi siya overcrowded and very livable yung vibe. Perfect siya for starting families, for OFWs, and even for investors. And now, eto na yung pinaka-importante. Available units this 2026. Good news, may available pa. But real talk, paunti na lang. And here's what you need to know. House type, may different models available depending sa aming inventory. Usually, 2-story home siya, modern design, typical features, 2 to 3 bedrooms, living area, may dining area, kitchen, carport, space for future expansion. For lot sizes naman, it varies depending sa mga units. Sakto for comfortable family living. Let's talk about lifestyle. Imagine this, gigising ka sa umaga, hindi sa ingay ng busina, kundi sa tahimik na paligid. Pwede kang mag-walk or jog sa open spaces, safe maglaro ang mga bata, malinis at organized and very secured. Plus, napakalapit mo lang sa mga malls and may mga access tayo sa mga schools. Malapit sa Tagaytay for quick weekend trips. This is what you call balanced living. And now, from an investment perspective, why Southdale Settings Nuvali? Because number one, it is Ayala Land Development and trusted brand, continuous growth ng Nuvali and increasing demand for house and lot outside Metro Manila. So whether titirahan mo or ipaparent mo or resale, may value siya. And let's be real, hindi dumadami ang lupa, hindi rin bumababa ang demand. Every year, tumataas ang presyo, kumukonti ang available units. So if may bala ka, don't wait too long. If you're interested sa available units in Southdale Settings Nuvali, I can help you with updated units availability, sample computation, site viewing schedule, and full assistance hanggang turnover. Just message mo lang po ako sa number ko and Viber WhatsApp at 0966-205-8031 for details ng property natin dito. Pag-usapan natin ng isa sa pinaka-premium community dito sa Nuvali, the Aberdeen Estate Nuvali, and yes, may available lots pa this 2026. Quick story lang. Marami akong nakausap na client before na nagsabi na, "Sir, hintay muna ako, baka mas bumaba ang value." But guess what? After 1 to 2 years, bumalik sila, pero ang presyo, mas mataas na. Yung dating kaya nila, ngayon, hindi na pasok sa budget. And that's exactly what happening in Nuvali right now. So, bakit ba ang lakas ng demand sa Nuvali? Simple lang. It's a future-ready city. Hindi lang siya tirahan, it's a complete lifestyle. Kaya maraming investor ang pumapasok dito ng mas maaga. Now inside Nuvali, meron tayong mga premium villages and isa dito si Aberdeen Estate Nuvali. Ano ang difference niya? Hindi siya crowded, hindi siya typical subdivision. Aberdeen Estate is designed for the people who wants bigger spaces, more privacy, and premium environment. So kung ayaw mo ng siksikan, this is the kind of community for you. Now let's talk about the availability. As of 2026, may mga selected lots na available pa, pero very limited na. Here's what you can expect. For the lot sizes, around 166 square meter up to 229 square meter pataas, maluwag and pwede kang mag-design ng dream home mo. For lot option, we have inner lots, more budget friendly siya. And if you want corner lots naman, mas higher lang yung value. And if you want a premium feel, meron po tayo sa mga malapit sa open spaces and amenities. And for the price range, premium pricing, yes, but strong appreciation, definitely. For the payment term, we accept cash payment, installment, and bank financing. Kung may nakita kang magandang lot, don't wait too long kasi mabilis talagang nare-reserve ang good location. Ipla-flash ko po sa screen yung mga available lots natin dito sa Aberdeen Estate, Nuvali. Let me ask you this. Ano ba talaga ang hinahanap mo? Bahay lang or long-term security? Because buying a lot here is not just about today. It's about future home ng family mo, peaceful environment for your kids, asset na pwede mong ibenta na mas tataas ang value. And in places like Nuvali, that future is already happening. Timing is everything in real estate. Right now, may available pa, prices are still rising, demand is strong. In the next few years, mas mahal na and mas konti na ang options. So the question is not, worth it pa ba? The real question is, kailan ka papasok? If you're watching this and napapag-isip ka, that's a good sign. You don't need to decide agad, but at least start exploring. Check mo kung pasok sa budget mo, tingnan mo yung mga available lots. Visit the site if you can, because clarity comes from action. If you wanna help, I got you. I can assist you with updated lot availability, sample computation, site tripping schedule, and to step-by-step buying process. Just don't hesitate to message me on my personal number, WhatsApp, Viber at 0966-205-8031. If this video gave you value, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at my YouTube channel. And remember, hindi ka yayaman sa kakahintay. Yayaman ka sa tamang desisyon. So once again, this is Berhel Torreja, the Estate Blueprint, where your future home start with a plan.